Welcome to the magical alphabet garden, where letters come alive.
Let's learn A to Z.
Hi, I am A. A for apple. Apples are juicy and sweet. I am B. B for ball. Let's bounce and play. I am C. C for cat. I am D. D for dog. I am E. E for elephant. Elephants are big. I am F for fish. Splash, splash, splash. I am G. G for giraffe. I am very tall. I am H. H for house. Home sweet home. I am I. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy.
I am J. J for juice. Fresh and tasty.
I am K. K for kite fly high. I am L. L for lion roar.
I am M for monkey.
I am N. N for nose. Smell the flowers.
I am O. O for owl. Hoot hoot. I am P. P for panda. So cute. I am Q. Q for queen, royal and kind.
I am R. R for rabbit.
Rabbit, hop, 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 hop. I am S. S for sun. Shine bright. I am T. T for tiger. Grrr. I am U. U for umbrella. Stay dry.
I am V. V for van. Let's travel.
I am W. W for watch. Tick-tock!
I am X. X for xylophone. Ting, ting. I am Y. Y for yarn soft and colorful. I am Z. Z for zebra. Black and white.
We are Alphabet Friends. See you again. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe the channel.